Hi, in this series of video demonstrations we're going to be using Fusion 360 to create moving models of our mechanical design ideas. This is the sixth video in the series where we're going to be looking at creating components with irregular shapes. To help us demonstrate this, over the series we're going to be modelling this punch mechanism. The irregular shape we're going to be looking at modelling for this video is the lever. So we're going to create our first sketch on the YZ plane. We're going to sketch two concentric circles, the first one 10mm and the second one 15mm in diameter. Using the grid we can find the point 20mm above the centre of those circles and create another set of concentric circles. This time they'll be 6mm and 12mm in diameter. And then from the centre point of that circle we're going to create a rectangle that's 12mm across and 20mm high. Then fillet the corners of that rectangle with a 2mm radius. We're then going to use the Move Copy tool found in the Modify drop down menu. We're going to select the pivot point to be the centre of that circle, and then we're going to rotate it around that axis at 30 degrees and then click OK. We're then going to create some lines to join these two sets of circles up. It will automatically attach to the tangent of these circles. And then we can get rid of any unwanted construction lines using the trim tool. We can then finish the sketch and extrude that form out to the thickness of 4mm, which will be the right thickness to fit in between those two upright plates. Be sure to make sure that it says Operation New Component, not New Body, and then click OK. We're going to create the sketch for the handle element of the lever on the top surface of that plate. So we're going to find the centre of that surface and then create a 10mm circle. Once we're happy with our 10mm circle, we can finish the sketch. Then we can extrude our circle. When you extrude, make sure you have all parts of it highlighted, so make sure you've got the inside of it there as well, and then that can be extruded up. We don't want to start our extrusion from our sketch plane though, so we're going to, where it says profile plane, we're going to change that to offset plane, and we're going to offset it by minus 10mm, so it starts 10mm before that plane. We're going to make sure it says join, not cut, and then we're going to give it a length of 135mm and then click OK. Then finally we're going to radius off our corners with the fillet tool. So I'm going to do the bottom two parts there, and then again around the top of that with a 5mm radius. We're going to change the name of the component and give it an appropriate material. And there we have our finished lever.